Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and permissions. First, make sure your Apple Watch and iPhone run compatible versions so data sync works. Open the Watch app and verify health and motion and fitness access. Once done, clean the back sensors gently with a lint-free cloth and place the watch snugly on your wrist. Loose fit causes bad readings. Next, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. This enables quick sync. If you've not restarted devices yet, do that now to clear transient errors. Now focus on calibration and deeper sensor checks. You'll calibrate by doing a 20-minute outdoor brisk walk with your iPhone in hand and GPS enabled. This trains the watch to your stride and improves distance and calorie accuracy. If numbers remain off, go to watch settings and reset fitness calibration data so the watch relearns. Also inspect the band and back sensor for grime or damage. Even tiny gaps or hair can block readings. Make sure you wear the watch slightly higher on your wrist. Finish by performing final corrective actions and noting one key troubleshooting tip. You should force restart the watch if sensors act up. If that fails, unpair and repair through the watch app to rebuild the sync database. Once repaired, test a quick run and a heart rate read to confirm. If readings still deviate, remove third-party fitness apps temporarily. They can conflict with Apple Health data. Troubleshooting tip: when nothing helps, contact Apple support or an Apple store so they can run diagnostics on the hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.